We've got a chirping detector in here, so we gotta change out the batteries. Probably should just change the batteries on them all, because I put them all in it around the same time. All things considered, it failed at a pretty convenient time because I already had the ladder up here dealing with this mess in the kitchen. There it goes again. I think I changed the batteries in the one in the studio. Whoops, that wasn't good. I think I changed the ones in the studio, so that leaves the garage out of those three that I bought at that time. Oh, there's all those cobwebs up here on the ceiling fan. Oh, you know what? You don't have to actually remove this from the ceiling. Maybe not. We just have to take out the batteries. Oh boy. It's got DURACELL batteries. Why this is not coming out of there? Ugh. Well, that's nothing short of a miracle that the batteries have not exploded and ruined the equipment yet. DURACELL. These are not for retail sale, made in China. DURACELL OEM. Dated 07-2021, expires in 07-2028. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that came with these detectors, because I never would have bought or used those otherwise. I bought and lost. Here we go. I just found Energizer Ultra Lithium batteries. These are 100% leak proof, based on standard use, whatever the heck that means. I usually use these in the outdoor thermometers because it says it's good for extreme temperatures, and I do find them to work pretty good out there. So we'll put these in. This is all busted up. I think the piece inside of here is messed up, because there's like a little holder. There it is. There's this piece in there, which I think is supposed to go like this or something. Yeah, that's supposed to go like that, and then the whole apparatus goes in here like this. So I don't know why this keeps having so many problems. It says includes recycled materials. Is it working? That's the test. There it goes. Okay. Ugh. Okay, I think it's working. Okay. And while we're at it, I'm gonna grab the one in the garage too, because that one I would actually be kind of unlikely to hear if it was just doing that little chirp thing. Here's the detector in the garage. I don't have it mounted because I can't even reach this stupid thing. I don't have it mounted because I always take it out when I'm doing something dusty. Yeah, I can't reach it. I'll do it another day. I'm too tired to play with that right now. I'll get it. I'll get it another day when I have the ladder in there. Alright, that's good enough for tonight. The smoke alarm in the living room is fixed. And hopefully I can sleep in peace without any more chirping smoke detectors.